Hey everyone! Want a simple and secure way to back up your website data with pCloud? In this video, we'll show you how to easily integrate this popular storage with xCloud for seamless site backups. Let's start. First, log into your xCloud account and head over to Team Settings. Now go to Integrations, then Storage Provider, and click on Add New Provider. Choose pCloud from Options, give it a label, and hit the Link pCloud Account button. After that, xCloud will instantly redirect you to connect to your pCloud account. Once that's done, pCloud will appear in your list of storage providers. Now let's configure your backup settings. Go to Sites, select the site you want to back up, and click on Site Backup, then Backup Settings. Under Remote Backup, choose your preferred backup type from the full or incremental option. Then select the pCloud bucket you just created. You can take any one backup from the database or files, even exclude specific paths from the backup if needed. Next, to take site backups automatically, enable automatic backup and set how often you want the backups to run. You can also activate automatic delete to automatically remove old backups after a certain number of days. Click Save when everything seems to be in order. And you are all set to start backing up your site. Now head over to the previous backup section and click on Backup Now to initiate a backup instantly. Once complete, your backup will show up here. And that's it! This is how easily you can integrate pCloud with xCloud and set up a reliable backup system for your website. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials and tips. Happy hosting!